Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is agriculture. Now, what is agriculture? In the previous class, I gave you a small introduction about agriculture. What is agriculture? Who are benefited by agriculture, and who are the people who are involved in agriculture? Now, what is agriculture? Agriculture is nothing but agriculture or farming is a practice of cultivating land. It also includes other farm related practices like horticulture, livestock, rearing and fishing. Agriculture gives food for our consumption and raw materials for industry. So agriculture, it provides food crops, food grains and raw materials for the industry. So today in the previous class I gave you a small brief introduction telling you how people are benefited by agriculture, and if there are no people who are going to work in the fields, we would have starved. So because of agriculture, people who are working in fields, they are growing crops and we are spending money and purchasing from the market. So let us see now, there are many types of crops that are grown. One simple through chart I will just tell you crops grown in summer. Now which are the crops grown in summer? The crops that grow in summer are maize. We eat sweet corn, no? Puff corn, sweet corn, we call it as maize. So this crop grows in summer. Sugarcane. We prepare tea. Sugar comes from sugarcane, and then we have tea at home. We make sweets. We drink juice. So sugar we get from sugarcane. So sugarcane also grows in summer. Then we have the groundnuts, what we call as the peanuts. Then we have the rubber that grows in summer. Then we have the black pepper, and then the pulses, that is quinine. Okay. Now there are some crops that grow only in winter. There are some crops. Crops also need soil and climatic condition and water. So different types of crops grow in different seasons under different soil condition and requirement of water. Here now crops that grow in winter are jawar, then millets, barley, cotton, the kidney bean and the peas. So these are the crops that grow in winter season. Now to make it simple for you, in a very simple way, I have made a very simple activity. Yes, for the activity you require card sheet as usual. Yes, card sheets as usual, card sheets. You require card sheets. Then you require small Ziploc bags where you will be putting all the types of grains or pulses, or you need a scissor for cutting, you need crayons or sketch pens or color pens to color, you need scale, a black sketch pen or a marker, right? Then you require glue or gum or any other requirements. Here to make it very simple for you, what I have done, I have taken a small piece of card sheet. Yes, I have written the heading here as agriculture. Now I told you what is agriculture. Agriculture is nothing but growing crops. Here thousands and thousands of people getting employment. they are working, and they work, they slog, they work hard, and they grow crops which we spend money and we purchase. Now, the topic now is agriculture. Under agriculture, now what is agriculture? It is nothing but growing of crops. It can be food crops or it can be cash crops. Any crops that grows, we call it as agriculture. So, the main topic is agriculture. Under that, today we are going to discuss about food crops and the cash crop. So, under agriculture, we are talking about crops. Crops like all types of grains, food grains, pulses, everything. Even we can include vegetables which grows in bulk. Here we talk about food crops. What are food crops? Food crops are nothing but the food that we consume daily in the form of grains, and then it goes through a different process, and then finally we prepare or we cook, and then we eat in our daily food diet or food menu. So food crops, where food is grown in large number or large quantity production, and it is distributed to different areas, and then so it comes to our house. Then what are cash crops? Cash crops are crops that are grown and sold for money. The country or the people or whoever does it, they make money. They may keep a little bit for the further work or further production or for harvesting or for sowing, and rest is sold out for money. Now, here is food crops, here is cash crops, and here I have made pulses. Now I will show you under food crops, under food crops, under food crops, this is jawar, this is jawar, yes, it is a food crop. This is wheat. Jawar is here. This is jawar. Jawar. This is jawar. This is wheat. This is wheat. This is ragi. Yes, this is ragi. This is rice. This is rice. And now these are food crops. Wheat, ragi, jawar and rice. They come under the category food crops. Now when we talk about cash crops, cotton, this is cotton, yes, it is a kind of cash crop. Sugar, that is sugar cane, yes, sugar cane. Tea powder, that is tea plantation, then sufficient how much we require for us we keep, and rest is sold out, tea powder. And this is jute. So this is jute. So this comes under cash crop. This is food crop, what we grow to eat and feed others, and this is cash crop. We grow and we export it to make money. So it is called as cash crop. Now here I have mentioned pulses. Now what are pulses? Pulses are different kinds of dal, which we prepare at home. We make sambar, we make different kinds of items with the dal. So this is called as pulses. This is a type of dal, right? We call this as masoor. Yes, it is a kind of pulse. This is masoor. Then this is again green gram. We call it as moong. This is green gram. We call it as moong. And then I have this Yes, a different kind of gram only, what we call it as chickpeas, right? And then we have in pulses, we have variety. We have variety of dal. And you can see here in pulses you get variety. Yes. So in a simple way, agriculture is farming. It is giving employment to thousands of people. People are working to grow crops. Under crops, we have food crops and we have cash crop. Under food crops, crops that are grown, what we consume, what we eat in a daily diet. What we require, we keep remaining. Either we sell it off or we keep it for the next farming. Cash crop, they grow crops to make money and then it is exported, sold to some other countries also. Under cash crop, we have cotton, sugarcane, sugar, tea plantation, that is tea powder, very important, jute. Yes, jute. So this is cash crop and this is food crops. In the next session, in the next class, I will show you what type of soil is required to grow these crops. What type of soil is required to grow these crops, what type of climate is suitable for growing these crops, and the requirement of water. So each crop will need a different types of soil, a different type of weather or climatic condition, and requirement of water. For today's class, we have only learned food crops and cash crops and types of pulses. We stop here and in the next class I will show you types of soil used for growing these crops. So what you can do, you can prepare a chart like this way according to your convenience or according to your creativity. I have made this in a very simple way. You can use your creativity and put in your mind and create something different. You can use a different type of paper, you can use different types of pulses, you can use different types of food crops, you can use different types of cash crops, and in a creative way you can create a chart like this showing food crops or pulses or cash crops. And not only that, in the next class I will also be showing you the different types of spices that grows in India, that also comes under agriculture. So the different types of spices that grows in India, and again it comes as a food crop and as a cash crop, because India is very famous for its Indian spices. So most of our Indian spices are exported to foreign countries. So in the next class I will just show you in a simple way which are the Indian spices. So till then, take care, have a good day.